Today we are concluding our follow-up visits to sites being handled by the UPDF engineers, Sebede. We started with the airport site where the terminal, there is a major works on the terminal. We were, I think, impressed with the work so far because the canopy is there, which was a gigantic work. We also followed up the Kajansi National Medical Store's oxygen plant. Progress has been made since we last inspected. We find that the major works which had been given to Sebede are now accomplished. The plant is up and almost ready for the purpose it is being set up. We encouraged our engineers to do the rest of the work. And finally, we had agreed to make a follow-up visit to these major works of a national stadium. And we've moved around. We've seen the civil works. We've interacted with the client. We've interacted with the consultants. And we only think that the things which are not in their hands, which are being purchased from distant markets, arrive on time, so that this facility is up for use, and with the badge that our own forces have made a major renovation like this one, it should be a source of pride to all of us Ugandans.
My name is Lieutenant Colonel Peter Sekukidemuka. I'm the project engineer handling the renovation and upgrade of Mandela National Stadium. Today I received the team for monitoring and evaluation who are enhancing on the supervision, which is key to the quality of works here. The project is progressing on well. All the concerns like designs, the procurement of service providers have been addressed, and we expect to deliver this project as promised by 30th November this year. And as we witnessed when we moved around, the major concern was the pitches, and the pitches have been handled and are being handled very well. All civil works are done. What is remaining basically is the fitting and the fixtures. Amongst the fitting and fixtures, the biggest part are the seats, which are only transit. Others are at Mombasa, but all other fixtures are being put because we have them on site. So I'm sure, and then I promise that we shall deliver, and we shall be there by that time. As we promised and deliver, as His Excellency and the Commander-in-Chief's assignment, he assigned us to do it, and we shall make sure we don't let him down. And about this project, that it is the interest of everybody, which is a very unique feat, to ensure that we produce a good pitch. And you know Ugandans are soccer fans. More so, if we fail them, we would have failed the whole country. So, and above all, it is the first of its kind, according to our design, to ensure that we bring in the smart solution system into the stadium, if anything, in the whole of Africa. So it is a bit unique that we have brought in many new features. We have addressed many other concerns of Ugandans, and we are doing it in conjunction with the FIFA and following the FIFA guidelines. When the Pamoja team visited us, they asked us to present. We did the presentation in Serena Hotel. Their interest was, one, is us to give us the program we have for this. And one, they said we are far much ahead of the Pamoja. 2027 is too far. That we have done more and better than the other sister countries, and they advised us to work hand in hand with them. And they told them to get a leaf of what we are doing here, so that they use soldiers more so that we can deliver and we can do quality work. They really appreciated and applauded the work being done by UPDF engineers here in Sereno Hotel. And they asked even for our program to be sent to them. And I think the managing director promised will do so, and we shall send it also to our sister countries, since it is a bid. And the requirement, as they told us, that we must have 3 pitches. This is one of them, then the other 2 will also be made. And FIFA president did that, said one will be in Hoima, one will be in Lira, as designated and agreed.
Sewanya Nampaji, I'm the managing director, Mandela National Stadium, and the client. Mandela National Stadium is the